Apple's next big move is no longer a mystery. The iPhone 17 launch is practically an open secret, and fans can barely contain the hype. Everyone's asking the same thing: when is Apple finally pulling the curtain back? After weeks of whispers, the answer looks crystal clear. All signs point to September 9th, 2025, and the way this date leaked out makes the story even more exciting. So how did the secret slip? For a short moment, it disappeared quickly, but not before people snapped screenshots and spread them online. There was no turning back. Apple tried to hide it, but the damage was done. And here's the kicker: the invite itself gave away more than just a date. Apple never chooses artwork randomly. This felt like a deliberate clue. Why does that matter? Because one of the most talked about rumors this year is the iPhone 17 Air, a super slim model set to replace the Plus. Apple loves hiding teasers in plain sight, and this could be one. So what exactly is Apple planning for September 9th? The leaks say 4 models are coming: the standard iPhone 17, the brand new iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The Air will grab attention for its slim build, while the Pro models are tipped to bring the biggest design shift in years. And if the leaks are accurate, this redesign will blow fans away. Case makers like Gerbrand have already shown off designs that match prototypes floating online. That means we're likely looking at sharper edges, a fresh camera layout, and a bold new look for the Pro models. This could be the visual shakeup fans have been begging for. But of course, Apple's September show is never just about iPhones. There's plenty more on the way. The Apple Watch Series 11 is almost guaranteed to make an appearance. And for those who crave rugged builds, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 could finally arrive. Apple has a habit of stacking events with multiple product reveals. But here's the real question among all these devices: which one has fans buzzing the loudest right now? About 18% are eyeing the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air. The rest? But honestly, the funniest part of this story isn't about the devices at all. It's the fact that Apple accidentally leaked its own event date. Let's talk about the details that matter: colors and software. Reports suggest the iPhone 17 Pro will come in bold new finishes, including a bright orange option. That's a statement move. And all iPhone 17 models will ship with iOS 26, which introduces a sleek new liquid glass design. Expect smoother animations, sharper visuals, and a more polished iPhone experience. But here comes the part fans don't love: prices. Rumors say the iPhone 17 lineup will cost about $50 more across the board. Not huge compared to rivals, but still an increase. To balance it out, Apple is scrapping the 128GB entry model on Pro versions. The new base storage will be 256GB. So yes, you pay more, but at least you're getting more out of the box this time. Now think about the competition. The iPhone 17 series won't have an easy path. It's going head-to-head with Samsung's Galaxy S25 lineup, which already turned heads earlier this year, and Google's Pixel 10. Fall 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most intense flagship battles we've ever seen. And here's the irony: Apple is famous for its secrecy. They hunt down leakers, sue whistleblowers, and guard product plans with military-level precision. But this time, they slipped. The most secretive company in tech exposed their own biggest surprise. And fans are loving every second of it. Apple leaking Apple, that's a plot twist nobody expected. With September 9th practically locked in, the countdown has officially begun. The full iPhone 17 lineup, whether you're hyped for the Ultra Slim Air, the redesigned Pro models, or just Apple's flashy stage show, this event is shaping up to be one of their biggest in years. But there's one more twist. Apple's little accident has made the hype even bigger. Normally their events feel polished, staged, and predictable. This time, things feel messy, raw, and exciting. That tiny leak created more buzz than any perfect teaser ever could. So when Apple finally takes the stage on September 9th, you can bet the entire world will be watching closer than ever before.